So guys, here's the latest update again. We just finished swimming in our Mainit Hot Spring Resort. So it's time to go home na again because their schedule is just for 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. To 4 p.m.
Huwag nang dalhin sa
Naging overnight.
Hindi kaya na isang therapy.
From 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Naging overnight. So correction guys, it's 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's the regular schedule. So what time is it?
libre pa. Parang kita kami, bye-bye. Uwian na ka po kami. Ay, kami nagkakontent.
Magaling na kami.
Next time. Sinong gusto sumama? Sa susunod. Baka dalawang ban na tayo. Bye-bye.
So guys, again, this outing is mauulit-ulit. So I think for the month of July, there gonna be next swimming again here in Mainit Hot Spring Resort. I think for the month of July, we're going to plan ahead.
Malayo-layo pa.
So, okay. Nasa biyahe lang kami. I-update ko na lang ulit kayo pag nakauwi na. See you again!